Crypto Billionaire 69 with the quick daily update. My friends, tune in hard. Hope you guys are having a beautiful night. Hit that subscribe button for daily in-depth updates on Dogelon Mars. We are coming to a crucial point in the charts right now as we are approaching this double wick top at this 1088 levels. Okay, we really need to watch this, and we need to see us push higher than this within the next, let's see here. We want to see us push higher than this within the next 6 hours. Okay, so that would be 2 more candles, 2, 4, and 6. We should be higher than these 1088 levels, breaking the 11s. That will be the most bullish sign. Okay, now if we come up, this is possible as well. If we come up to the top here again, or not even reach it, and start showing selling pressure, moving back down into these 980s, that is it's not the most bullish sign. This is what we need to look for. And if it does start to show some selling pressure as we approach these previous resistances, volume is tapering down. So until we see some volume step back up, we will most likely be consolidating. All right. Remember, the overall move, we are still bullish. This is a simple retracement as we have spiked nicely around 100% within the last couple weeks. So, that being said, this is a very, very bullish spike, bullish move. However, we do want to watch for confirmation before we add more. All right, if you are thinking about adding more or adding for your first time, then first of all, hit the subscribe button because I will bring you daily updates. And second of all, we want to wait and see confirmation. Confirmation will look like this. Volume pushing higher than these 11 levels by tomorrow, okay? By tomorrow, if we see that, that is confirmation that to add bags. However, if we start coming up to these 11s, so showing selling pressure, that means we might even be coming back down to these 9s, okay? Making a double bottom, okay? And we could even break through them, all right? I'm just here to read the charts now. This is a very bullish sign, okay? We did break out of this downward trend line. We came and showed some nice buying pressure, so it is looking very nice, all right? However, we do want to see a push higher than these 1076 levels within the next 4 hours, and these 11 levels within the next 6 to 8 hours, all right? Crypto Billionaire 69. Everything was looking good in the charts if you are holding, especially if you are below these 8 levels with your average. Congratulations. Those of you in the Patreon are around these 6.2s because that's where I issued an alert. If you chose to follow along, not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. However, you would have made upwards of 100% so far. So, that being said, if you're interested in joining the Patreon, links in the description, real-time buy and sell alerts, so you don't have to watch the charts, and you can just get notifications on the best times to, get in, get out. So, that being said, Crypto Billionaire 69. Have a really safe Friday night, my friends. It is April Fool's Day. I didn't get any fooled, and I was thinking I wasn't wearing green, but that's not this day. That's St. Patrick's Day. If you guys got pranked for April Fools, leave it in the comments. I want to hear your stories. For me, it was just a normal day. Really nothing even happened. Got a friend's birthday party I'm heading to right after I make this video. So, good catching you guys. And I will catch you guys in the next video tomorrow. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.